Welcome to the rate groups overview video. In this video, I will show you how to create a rate group and how to add labor, materials, or equipment to it. First thing that you need to do is locate the admin menu on the left hand side of the screen. Once the menu opens, look for the rate groups options and click on it. Once at the rate groups page, locate the add rate groups button, click on it, and it will take you to the rate groups details page, where you will be required to enter basic information about the rate group that we are about to create. The only required field here is the rate group name. You can choose to enter a customer name, a project number, a PO number, something that will make it easier for you to identify what will be the purpose of this rate group. In this example, I'm going to name this rate group after a specific client, so I know that all the items and pricing on this rate group will be specifically for this customer. Next, you have a description field. This is optional. You can add more details about the rate group here. This status is default to active, so you can leave it as is. So now that we entered the information for our rate group, simply click on the Create Rate Group button. This will automatically update the system and save the rate group in the table below. Locate your rate group that you just created, and under the Actions column, look for the Edit button. Click on the Edit button, and this will take you to the rate group details again. But now, if you scroll down, you'll see that you have a labor rate section, an equipment rate section, and material rate section, so you can add items to the rate group. Let's add a labor rate. Click on the Add Labor Rate button. Once at the pop-up window, look for the Select Template drop down, click on it, and you will see the global list of labor that you added previously to our system. Select the labor that you want to add to this specific rate group. As you can see, the labor name, it's auto-populated, the internal rate, the unit of measure, and the description that was previously added when you created your global labor list. The only thing that you need to enter here is the customer rate, what we're going to charge to this specific customer for this specific item. So I'll enter the customer rate and click Create. Repeat the same process for the equipment rates. If you need to add a specific equipment for this rate group, click Create, and same thing for materials. Repeat the same steps, add the material rate group button, look for the material that you want to add to this specific rate group, and enter the customer rate. Everything else will be auto-populated because, again, this was created previously by you on the material global list, the labor global list, and the equipment global list. Simply click Create. Perfect. Now that you added your materials, your equipment, and your labor to this specific rate group, scroll up and click on the Update Rate Group button, so that the changes are saved correctly. And that's it. That's how you create rate groups in the system and how you add items into the rate groups. Thank you for watching.